Hello viewers, welcome to SD Civil Info. In this video, I am here to explain about concrete cover. What is concrete cover? In reinforced concrete, concrete cover is defined as the least distance between the surface of the embedded reinforcement and the outer surface of the concrete. Let us see why should we provide concrete cover. In reinforced concrete, covering is provided to arrest the attack of corrosion, and reinforcement is prone to corrosion and fire for several atmospheric conditions. And if the cover is not implemented properly, then there is more chance of corrosion, and in hardened reinforced cement concrete, cracks may be formed, and therefore concrete cover is to be provided for each and every element of the building where the reinforcement is used. And the protection of the steel in concrete against corrosion depends upon the following factors. They are adequate thickness of cover, depth of concrete cover, and the quality of concrete. And the next one is what are cover blocks? In order to maintain the proper arrangement of reinforcement and to provide a covering for reinforcement, covering blocks are used. And there are different types of cover blocks based on the type of material used. They are wooden cover block, steel cover block, PVC block, cement masonry cover block, aluminium cover block, and stone cover block. What is nominal cover? Nominal cover is the design depth of the concrete cover to all steel reinforcement, including links, and it shall not be less than the diameter of the bar. The minimum values for the nominal cover of normal weight aggregate concrete should be provided to all the reinforcement, including links, depending upon the condition of exposure, and it is described in the Table 16 of IS 456-2000. This table shows the nominal cover to meet the durability requirements. Here, the exposure conditions are given, and the nominal concrete cover for those conditions are given in mm, and it should not be less than the following values. For mild condition, the nominal concrete cover should not be less than 20 mm. For moderate condition, it is 30 mm. And for severe condition, it is 45 mm. For very severe condition, the value should not be less than 50 mm. And for extreme condition, the nominal concrete cover value should not be less than 75 mm. In addition to that table, we have to keep in mind that in case of the exposure condition is mild, and if 12 mm diameter bars are used for main reinforcement, then the nominal cover may be reduced by 5 mm. And unless specified otherwise, the actual concrete cover should not get deviate from the required nominal cover by plus 10 mm or 0 mm. And in case of the exposure conditions like severe and very severe, the reduction of 5 mm may be allowed, where concrete grade of M35 and above is used. And for longitudinal reinforcing bars in a column, the nominal cover shall in any case not less than 40 mm or less than the diameter of such bar. And in case of columns of minimum dimension of 200 mm or under, whose reinforcing bars do not exceed 12 mm, and nominal cover of 25 mm may be used. And for footings, minimum cover shall be 50 mm. And in order to meet the specific period of fire resistance, the minimum values of nominal cover of nominal weight of aggregate concrete to be provided to all reinforcement are given in Table 16A of IS 456-2000. And the minimum values of nominal cover to meet the specific period of fire resistance up to 4 hours are given in this table. The minimum values of nominal cover to meet the specific period of fire resistance for simply supported beams and continuous beams, simply supported slabs and continuous slabs, and simply supported ribs and continuous ribs, and columns are given here. What is clear cover? The distance measured from the exposed concrete surface to the nearest surface of the reinforcing bar is called clear cover. On the other hand, the distance measured from the face of the member to the center of the area of reinforcement, that is, tension or compression reinforcement, is called effective cover. And the effective cover is equal to clear cover plus half of the diameter of the bar. Clear cover to main reinforcement for some of the building elements are listed below. That is 75 mm for footings, 50 mm for top of the raft foundation, and 75 mm for bottom or sides of the raft foundation, 50 mm for strap beams, 20 mm for grade slab, 40 mm for columns, 25 mm for shear wall, 25 mm for beams, 15 mm for slabs, 20 mm for flat slabs, 15 mm for staircase, 20 to 25 mm for retaining wall on earth, and 20 to 30 mm for water retaining structures. And the next one is, what are the effects of cover thickness? If the cover over the steel is thicker, then it takes longer period to take the chloride ions to reach the steel, and hence reduces the pH and passivity provided by the cement. And however, excessive cover can lead to the development of few wide cracks under overstress, whereas a thinner cover may result in many small cracks. But at the same time, some exceptional cases may also occur by opposing the above-mentioned facts, which appear to justify the rigid rules on cover. These are the following facts. Ships built had covers of only about 20 mm, yet they did not suffer from corrosion of steel. And also, many floating dry docks have been built with covers of only 15 mm or 20 mm with highly successful durability over many years of adverse exposure. It is confirmed opinion that the impermeability of the cover is of major importance, and the thickness of the cover should be related to the diameter of steel bar and the maximum size of the coarse aggregate, and the lack of adequate cover contributes much to corrosion in an aggressive environment. Finally, a well compacted and continuous, even if thin, cover of good quality concrete on reinforcement is sufficient to protect it from corrosion. I hope you all understand this session. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.